Hi, I'm Marcus from Coveya, and today we're working on this Bespoke EK600 flatbed double swan neck conveyor. This conveyor is used for recycling materials. It can be used for small to large materials, whatever you want to recycle. It can be bespokely built for whatever size you need. This one is 600 wide. As you can see, this is for low density materials. It's got a PVC flighted belt, so it brings the material nicely up the conveyor on whatever angle it's on. Has the PVC sides as well to keep the material inside the belt. So if this conveyor is outside somewhere, maybe it's windy, you've got problems with like ash or stuff like that you're moving, could blow around in the wind. We have these covers that go on the top here. These are Perspex covers, so you can see the material underneath, keeps the wind out and just keeps everything nicely covered. These go all the way up the conveyor. Like I said before, it's bespoke, so you can have this in any style or design. We've got the side guides here. These ones are actually 100mm up from the belt, but you can have these in any height that you like, so the dimensions can be to whatever you need. Also, moving along the conveyor, as we move up here, being a swan neck, we've got the bends in the conveyor. This is the second part of the bend in the conveyor, so we've got a double swan neck here. So basically, it comes from the level ground, comes up, and then goes back horizontal again to feed into whatever application you've got. And here we have the chute at this end. These come in a different range of shapes and sizes. Again, bespoke to the customer's requirements. Here we have the end of the chute, which keeps all the material contained, distributes the material in a controlled manner. One of the many benefits of the swan neck conveyor is that you're not transitioning from one conveyor to the next conveyor. So the material carries on continuously. So this actual bespoke conveyor can move 100 cubic meters per hour of material. This specific conveyor was designed and built for a recycling company in America, so this will be shipped out soon. Please feel free to give us a call to find out more. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.